Today I'm here at Pelican Parts. We're doing some product development on this 2018 Panamera, trying to polish off our phone mount product line. You may have seen some of the phone mounts that exist on the market already. The vent mounts are really finicky, and on any high-performance car, you're most likely going to lose your phone. And the stick-on mounts, they leave residue on the dash. Our mounts are specific to the vehicle. Every mount is custom designed, bent, cut. It will only fit one application, and it'll fit the application perfectly. To have the phone in your line of sight while you're driving takes some of the risk out and allows you to concentrate on the road a lot more. We've already designed, manufactured, and began selling the mounts for the majority of the Porsche product line. They've been extremely popular from day one, so we decided to evolve that product line and include Volkswagen, BMW. We're working on Audi right now, and we've got Mercedes on the horizon. Pelican's always been extremely supportive, and most recently they've been willing to put up a thread on their forum, forums.pelicanparts.com. We're always looking for new product ideas, and a lot of our product line has been conceived from customer input. So if you have any new products that you'd like to see on the market, just post them up there. I'll be watching it. The rest of the guys at Rennline will be watching it, and love to help you out where we can.